Hello everyone, welcome back to the Catch Me Off-Road YouTube channel. I am here with my boy Suburban, he used to be Suburban Raptor, now he's Suburban TRX, my boy Fitz, and he came up from Ohio to come off-roading with us. We're at Hollyoaks ORV Park right outside of Detroit, Michigan, and today is actually 4Fest, and I should have been filming, but I'll release a different video soon after. But this is the point of this video is an exhaust comparison. We finally got a chance to compare the AWE 0FG exhaust on mine to the Corsa, I believe it's the Corsa Xtreme exhaust on his. And so we're gonna start out with just a startup, and I'll have the Corsa go first. Hey Fitz, go ahead and start it up. Sorry, we got a friend over there trying to make some noise. Once it gets quiet, it'll be a better comparison. So that's the tone of the Corsa. And go ahead and shut it off. And then we're gonna do the AWE. Go ahead and start it. So from where I'm standing, the AW is a little bit quieter at idle. Their tone is very similar. The Corsa is a little bit louder though at idle. All right, and let's go ahead and do some revs. Rev it up a little bit. All right, we'll shut that one off. And then Fitz is gonna do the same thing. There you have it, slightly different tones for each, so both sound amazing. It depends on what sound you're going for. They're both very similar. Let me get Fitz out here to give his impression of the two.
It is absolutely throatier. Does yours cut at 4 and arc like mine does?
Yeah,
okay.
That's what. But listen to the sound difference. Okay, now stay back here and I'm gonna rev yours up.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so we're both standing right here, Fitz and myself, and we both listened to our exhausts, and we agreed that the Corsa exhaust is definitely louder at idle, and it has more of a what do you say, like maybe a choppy or
like a V8 burble.
Yeah, like a burble, exactly, like a V8 burble to it. Sounds really good. The AWE sounds a little quieter, and it sounds more refined, more like a factory system, but it's still a little deeper than the factory system, just quieter. And then when you rev them up, what do you think about when you rev them up?
I mean, the AW almost sounds like a Orla to me. Like, it's real deep, it's real throaty, real aggressive. Yep.
And then the Corsa, I think, was a little more higher pitched. Almost sounds more like a race exhaust, I would say.
I would agree with that. Yeah.
Something like that, a little more flow through. It doesn't have as much restriction. It doesn't sound like it's more. It's a louder one, I think, too. But both awesome exhaust systems. So there's your comparison. You've seen it here first. Catch Me Off-Road YouTube channel. So thanks guys, we'll wrap up the video, and hopefully more off-road content coming soon.